Sweet, smoky, salty, egg porn. Like what else could you want out of breakfast? Hi everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feed, and today we're doing more eggs. We've done soft scramble, we've done fried. Today we're gonna talk all about poaching, and it's super easy. Let me show you how to do it. Here's everything you need. We just got some eggs. We're making an Eggs Benedict. So this is kind of the star of the show. We have our beautiful Hansenbrook eggs here, a pot of water that I am heating up to 160 degrees, some white distilled vinegar, and some salt. Are you ready for some science? I love to geek out when it comes to eggs and cooking and science, and what we're doing is dropping an egg into water that is at 160 to 180 degrees, and the reason why is we are poaching it and denaturing the proteins with heat and then coagulating them quickly to set the white while you still keep the yolk super runny, and that is the perfect poached egg. So how do we achieve that? Temp it. Let's see, where are we? 147, 150, 151. I'm gonna bump it up just a hair. We're adding a little vinegar because it makes the environment of cooking the eggs a bit more acidic. If you think about ceviche, you're using acid to coagulate proteins. It's the same thing when you're poaching an egg. By adding some vinegar to the water, you're able to help set the white even quicker so it doesn't kind of dissolve into your pan and end up with egg drop soup. And then finally salt, just because you want everything to taste good. This will also help you prevent the water from starting to simmer or boil because it raises the boiling point of water. A trick: when you're cracking eggs, if you have nice, beautiful, fresh eggs, this won't really be an issue, and you kind of just crack it into a bowl and drop it in. But a quick way to really help get a really beautiful poached egg is putting it over a little sieve and let any of the more liquidy albumin just drain off. If you have super fresh eggs, this won't be the case because it will all stay together. However, if they are a few days old, you'll start to get more of that. You see, these are super fresh, so we only have a few drops, and we're gonna start to make a whirlpool motion, and then we're gonna drop the egg right into the center. And by doing this motion, you're able to rotate the egg quickly as it's coagulating so it all stays together. And there you go. And now we are going to cook this until the white is set. You are looking at someone who is still on Whole30. I'm almost there, 1 week left. So what are we going to put this beautiful poached egg on but a Whole30 Eggs Benedict? What I have here is a sweet potato fritter, so it's kind of like a latke, but it's thicker. I used cassava flour to kind of bring it all together. Some smoked salmon and a charred scallion. This will make the little nest to put our poached egg, and we'll top it with some hollandaise because hollandaise uses clarified butter or ghee, which makes it Whole30 compliant. We are looking so good. Come up in here, take a look. We have a nice set white with a soft yolk. I'm going to pull it straight from the water and just quickly kind of dab it on a paper towel. I'm using a slotted spoon, and we're going to put it right on top. Let's drizzle on some hollandaise. All that's left is to pop that yolk. Now it's just time for breakfast. Gonna mash it all up, get a little bit of that fritter, some smoked salmon, some of that hollandaise. Sweet, smoky, salty, egg porn. What else could you want out of breakfast? Go to thefeedfeed.com, get the full recipe. That means everything from making a hollandaise. This one's super easy. You do it in a blender, as well as what else? Make the fritters, the actual technique for doing the poached eggs, all of it, and we'll see you next time.